a single mistake, bomb will go off, and suppose your whole family is there.
Right, exactly.
What you would have done, probably you would have invested more time in doing the planning and preparation. Right?
No, if we don't have the time also.
Well, you have to work. I'm going to put you in a situation where you're not going to get time now. Right now, I'm going to put you in a situation. All right. In the morning, this guy from Everest, he did that, and 3 seconds of the time that he had to, manage his reflexes. So I mean, that time I thought, I was thinking all 3-4 days, what can I do to give that kind of value, that kind of experience to you people? Because under ITC, when Asif calls me and we are together, I really want to do something different. Okay, so we have that something different with us. It's going to be a little shocking. It's going to be a little difficult for some people, but this is what really happens when crisis happens. That time you don't have hanging on the rock. Me and Sachin, we've done lots of rock climbings. Hanging on the rock, if something is not happening right, we don't have time to refer back to manuals. We don't have time to tell someone that, hey, I've got the A grade in basic and advanced mountaineering, okay? And we don't have consultant to call. We have to take that decision then and there, So what if you don't have enough time to? You all, or we all have solutions within us, okay? It's just that mental barrier that we have to push, okay? So today, now, for this activity, I've invited someone. Shardul, please stand up. And, so we have something, all right? An activity associated with that, an object that's going to be here. Everyone need to pass from one person to another person, and no shouting, no shouting, no shouting, all right? Hotel has already stopped us from doing this. I'm going overboard, so if anything happens, I'm responsible. Snake is there definitely.
It's a real snake.
It's python. What you need to do is, anybody having phobia, I will cure that. I'm NLP phobia person. So, okay, all right. Yeah, it's a real snake. It's a real snake.
It's not poisonous.
Okay. Those who want to opt out, they can go out, and don't discuss when you're going out.
Is it poisonous? No. I love it.
It's not poisonous.
It's not poisonous. No, I do love it.
You have to ensure hotel staff doesn't.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. So this is something that you really need to pick it up and pass it on to someone. So let's stand up in a circle. Chill. Let's stand in a circle. Those who don't wish to be observed, no issues. It's a challenge by choice. Okay. What do you need to do? Just hold on. You have to take it and look around, find out somebody who is scared, and pass it on to that person. All right? Simple. I have 10 minutes. I want to ensure that everybody is doing it. All right? So circle, don't break that circle. Who wants to give a start? Yeah, okay. Good.
Okay, circle.
No shouting, come may what. Find out who's, don't worry, not to the next person. Find out who's scared.
She's scared sitting on the chair.
Okay, fine. No. It will come to you. Yeah? Okay, Joe, give it to Joe. Josna. Yeah. Okay. Let's stand in a circle. Let's not break circle.
Stand in a circle, please.
Ulka, this is your time to face fear. Yeah, face your fear. All right. Quickly pass it on to the next person. It's fine. Yeah. Pass it on to someone who you feel is scared and not all that confident. Take it completely. Yeah. Take it completely.
Don't become Milind Sapre. Handle with care.
Sorry guys. Snake doesn't take appointment before biting.
अरे कानात गेला.
Give your hand. Give your hand. Give your hand. आराम से, आराम से, आराम से. It will bite. Just hand.
गणेश उनका भीती वाटते उसका मुंह उधर करो.
Hold this for me.
You want to?
Yes, I want to. ना even I. Come. भाई मैं बोल रहा हूँ कुछ नहीं है. भगवान शंकर लग रहे हैं.
Absolutely okay.
Feel the cold skin of the snake. Super.
Absolutely.
They're so harmless creatures, yeah. They're so harmless creatures.
Click me with this expression. Now I'm smiling.
I got the video on.
Yeah. Who else? Please take one by one. This was my opportunity. Typically, yeah, take it completely.
Slowly go, hold it.
Pass it to me also.
Maybe
It makes sense. It really makes sense. Trust me.
अवधूत डोंट वरी मी पण आहे मला पण भीती वाटते मला भीती वाटते
And guys, it's absolutely okay. You put these photos on Facebook and all. It's no problem because Shardul is one of the trained snake rescuer. Just yesterday also he rescued one more snake. So I mean, no worries. No worries. काही नाही होणार. It's okay. Chill. It just want to have. समोर घे अवधूत समोर घे डोक्यावर नका. Just feel that feeling. Yeah, okay. That's good. Yeah.
Don't go and kiss him now.
असं तुला मल्लिका शेरावतला घेतलं का वाटतंय का?
You didn't click up big.
ऐसा expression नहीं होता.
क्या बात स्टाइल मार रहे हो सर आप. One second, that's fine. Warren, come.
उल्का.
Put it the other way around.
You got mine?
One can't be scared.
Facebook पे जाएगा फोटो.
Look at that. Already giving me scared. Hey, don't throw it.
Give Warren. Warren, listen. Don't press his neck. बहुत प्यार से सिर्फ
खाली ऐसे हाथ पकड़ो यार.
वो खुद अपने वेट को ये
Don't throw it. Take it.
He's all right.
Give it to him.
Awesome. आराम से don't अरे वो श्वेता को लेके आओ.
Just come, no, put your hand over
So many people holding him ना. कुछ नहीं होगा. Congratulations. आराम से. तू फक्त हात लाव. कुठेही हात लाव. Don't be पकडलं. Such a baby यार. Such a baby. Such a harmless creature. Like a touch. कुछ नहीं करेगा. And I repeat again. Before biting, you are not going to take your appointment. यहाँ पे इधर तू बच्चा इसको मत छोड़ो. Superb. इधर. सामान के श्वेता है यार.
Poor thing ran off.
लगा बिंदास गेम राखून घरी
Address माहिती आहे
इट्स ओके
ही अंडरस्टँड मराठी होती.
इट्स ओके
Oh, I felt a stung. My God. I felt a stung.
मेरा काम मैं वापस कर दूँ
श्रीनी तूने लिया?
नहीं मेरे को लेने का है पब्लिक खेल रहा है तो खेलने दो
I think we need to give this animal a